this leather vest, I remember a night out with Bernice. We went downtown in her Mustang. There was a jazz club and a lost bun. The rest is private. When I wear this World Series winning hat, what comes to mind is sitting in the old stadium with Bernice in the pouring rain, insisting we stay because we might get a free ticket. And I'd say we just might get pneumonia. Anyway, wish you well, Bernice. Happy birthday. All the best. Love you.
Hi, Nana. Happy birthday. It is such a pleasure to celebrate with you. And I really don't even know where to begin with my good memories with you. But whether it was sitting on your lap at Woodbine while you were working and helping to take orders for people or bets, I actually don't know how we got away with that. Or in my adult years when we had people sending us drinks at the bar when we were there for dinner. It seems that we always find a way to get in trouble together and to laugh together. And I really thank you for always reminding me to laugh not only at myself, but at life. And I really value that lesson. So thank you. Happy birthday. Love you.
Hello. Why do I love my mom? She's been the perfect mom. Couldn't have asked for any better. Favorite memories? There's been a lot of memories going all the way back to Mom bringing Heather home from the hospital. Mother comforting me when Rob got to go to school and I had to watch all the kids playing in the playground since we lived across from the school in Kitchener. Mom taking me to work when she worked at the switchboard so I could sleep on the floor and be close to my mother. Traveling with Mother, I love those ideas or that memory. And recent memories, because I get to spend a lot more time with my mom, love it. Mother, love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nana. Happy birthday to you. Here's to Nana. Here's to Nana. Here's to Nana. You're a horse's ass. Hallelujah. 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 You're a horse's ass.
Happy birthday, Mom. I just want to thank you for always being there for us and being the rock of our crazy family.
Thank you, Nana, for doing anything we could ever ask for. We really do appreciate it. And Nadia.
Thank you for always helping us out and for your funny comments while watching the Newlywed Games.
Thank you for making me chicken noodle soup when I was sick and waking me up at 5 a.m. even though I was supposed to wake up at 7 a.m. for school.
Hope you have a great birthday and many more.
Hey Nana, happy birthday. I was asked by Cassidy, what is something that you like about my Nana? And I think the first thing that comes to mind is the fact that I really like how kind you are. I really enjoy your sense of humor, and I like the fact that you are a Jays fan. So just want to say happy birthday again. Hope you have a wonderful day celebrating and a great year ahead. Here.
Paul Wilson, happy birthday, Bernice from First Depot Lake. I tell you to get back to your window, but you never ever left it. And congratulations for not strangling Joe Reed.
Happy birthday, Bernice. Robert Wilson. I hope the drops are good today for you.
And happy birthday, Bernice, from Mike Wilson. Still the best line I ever heard from a teller, but I won't say it on camera.
Enjoy the day.
Hi, Bernice. Happy birthday. Gloria Gillingham says hello. Take it away.
Happy birthday, Bernice. Hope you have a great day, and I really do hope to see you soon. Take care.
Yeah, happy birthday again.
Bye. Enjoy your day.
Okay, let's do it. Ready? Happy birthday, bird. Happy birthday, bird.
From Winnipeg. Okay.
Good. Tell us what. You're going? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, bird from Winnipeg.
Happy birthday, Nana. I'm so glad I get to be with you today, Nana. I really miss you, and I miss living in Toronto so that we can go out to dinner. Hopefully this year is your year that you'll find your sugar daddy and he can take you out for chips, fish and chips, but you can't have my sugar daddy even though you pretend he's yours. I love you and happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Really sorry I couldn't be there to celebrate. Hopefully I'll be back and see you soon, and I'm looking forward to that. Have a great day. Enjoy your birthday.
We love you.
Your humor just totally blew me away. We used to share a desk together. We used to cut our Mars bars up in little tiny pieces and use a little bit for each break. You were such a good friend to me. You were such a great mother-in-law to me and a friend. And you gave me Cass, and how wonderful it is to have you in my life. Happy birthday, Bernice, from the bottom of my soul.
Mine too.
Happy birthday, Nan, all the way from Scotland.
I promise not to steal any more gifts from you. Happy birthday.
Love
we love
you.
you.
Happy birthday, Nanny.
Happy birthday, mother-in-law.
Sorry we couldn't make it, but we're on our way to Mexico. Hope to see you in the spring. Have a good winter.
You're my favorite mother-in-law, by the way.
Bye-bye.
Happy birthday.
Hi, Aunt Bird. Happy birthday. We wish you all the best. We always enjoy when you come to Harrison to see all of the Chambers family. Love you from all of us in Harrison.